the first of this one. Let me go up there. What talk? Not talk too much. Not talk too much. I'm market. I'm market. Our Scottish pastor. Our Scottish pastor. People work with us. And I do that. You said that you be a Japunaja. People don't go for people. You get lots in our song. Pastor, I see your life, I never die. You never die one more. I never die, yeah?
Okay. Let me be lawyer.
My stomach is big, full of joy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Either here or here.
Welcome back to the moment of truth and enlightening class. You saw the mess going on in the court too. This mother, the GO, pregnated someone's wife. They put handcuffs on his hands. And the big ones that started all this nonsense, they said their stomach is full of joy. They keep packaging themselves. The young one that is coming after them don't know how to do the packaging well. So they are the one getting into troubles. You see Nigerian church. You see him in the court. He's sitting down there helplessly. They are calling him occultic pastors. The big ones are doing their own evil as well. The other one, Amos, Isa, is still in custody. So, problem for who no get money and no get fame and went and commit atrocity like their fathers. They think they will get away with it. If it was the big one of the big ones now, I don't want to mention their names now, you know them. They won't grab them like that, so he won't be sitting down in court helplessly, people shouting on his head. They handcuff him, he cannot talk. Your police, your the politicians, they will quickly say, he must not be put to shame. They will go and cover it up. You see the mess they created though. The mess is all over the place, so it's not going anywhere. No God for yourself. There's nothing in the church, whether in Nigerian church, in Ghana church, wherever church. All of them, they are all the same. No God for yourself. Let's see this Ghanaian thief asking for Ghana cedis. People were just looking at him like a madman. Let's see.
Who is coming?
Dollars.
Who is coming? Who is coming? Just $1,000.
Dollars are paying.
Or $500.
And dollars are having.
Just run and say, I want to honor this man. I just want to honor him. You can do 1,000 or 500.
Dollars are paying.
Who is coming?
Why never?
Who is coming?
Why never?
Just 1,000, which is equivalent to 5,000 Ghana cedis. 500 is equivalent to 2,500. You can do it. Just rush. Just come forward, and I want to pray with you, and I want to ask for the blessings of God for your life. Who is coming? Who is coming?
Why never?
Are you afraid? Who happy?
If you are here, just raise your hands. Raise your hands. There are others who have given the bigger part of it. You can also play a part in the lesser ones.
Okay, let's calm down. Is there anybody who can do 2,000 Ghana cedis? Half for Ghana cedis. If you have it here, you can bring it. If you don't have it here, you can come to church on Sunday and honor your father in the Lord. Just let him bless you. Who is coming? Wait the munya manenya fe. Munya manenya fe. Do it and do it nice. Who is coming? 2,000 Ghana cedis. Who is coming? 1,000 Ghana. Half a 1,000. Do it with joy. Yaba cedis. Where are your cedis? Is there anybody who can honor him 1,000 Ghana cedis? No, if you can do 2,000.
I don't laugh tired though. Hey, this one don't even know how to do it. It came too late. The big ones have made markets out of the big markets. Now there's no big market anywhere. Oh, nobody is stupid any longer. Hey, you raise money, you raise it for your head. They did the same thing to Origbo in America. That's how he shouted. Nobody comes out. They did the same thing to the other guy. I forgot that one's name now in Warri. So, my people, no God for yourself. Oh, me, I don't laugh. I say, what's going on here? So we are getting there gradually. Some people have pot belly in this business. Some people make fortunes in this business. Some are just suffering because internet no allow them. They came too late. If it was around 2006, 2007, people will come out because our eyes were still dark then. I hope you learned something today, my people, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.